Hey guys, Max Bard here from pray.com, and I'm going to show you the brand new Kling 3.0 Turbo that we just added in Pray Production Studio and how it works. So when you're on the videos tab, go to a clip that you want to turn into a video, or I should say an image that you want to turn into a video. So we'll play around with this one, the elephant shot, and you'll go to the generate feature and make sure it's on the Kling video provider, and you're on video, and you can click on this turbo tab right here. What you're going to do is go to your Kling enhancements, and you could turn up the duration. You know, it's going to start at 5 seconds. So I'm just going to turn this one up to 15. The longer you do it, obviously, the longer it will take to generate the clip. And I'm going to have it at 1080p, and I'm going to have audio generation on. These are the defaults for now. And that's what we want to keep it at. And so the cool thing is what you'll see here is there'll be a pre-filled in prompt, but what you can do is hit that refresh button if you're not seeing enough description in this motion prompt, and it will go through your script to figure out what type of motion prompt to add to this image to turn it into video. So this is a nice feature that we added in here. Again, it pulls from your script and your image that you have that's going to turn into a video. So as you can see, what it's going to do is it's going to create a few things in here. It's going to create the action, okay, what's going on. So the herd wades forward in unhurried rhythm. It's going to give you a camera motion prompt as well. So it's going to add a wide pullback, sliding gently away from the herd, and it's going to add a little bit of audio description too. So because we have the audio turned on, we're going to have some audio description in here as well. So that's one way to create your text prompt for the video. Another way is, say you're just starting from scratch and you want to type something in, so you can start, you know, something with call it a slow dolly forward through the reflective water, and then maybe you don't know what else to put. And so as you can see, it'll start filling in the text for you. And if you like it, you can just hit that tab button and it'll fill it out for you. And it will keep doing that, as you can see, all the way across, you know, for as long as you want to go. So I'm just going to hit the space button here and then see what we got. So the calf's trunk curls up. We'll add that in there as well toward a cooling air. And you can see it will just start pre-filling in this whole thing. So if you really don't know what to say, it will help guide you, and you could use what it says as your guide to create this prompt, which is great, especially if you're new to the game. And so, you know, you can go in here and keep doing that for a pretty long time. And so I'm just gonna stop it right there. See, I'd continue with, and it'll give you some more suggestions. So that's where I'm going to leave it at. Again, you can hit that refresh. You can reset it if you want and start from scratch again. But this looks pretty good. And then just generate that video. And that's how you use the new Kling 3.0 Turbo to create some really nice video. And as you can see here, you can see what that looks like. Really great detail. It understands the physics of the animal, the lion, and kind of what's going on. You can see it breathing here, right? And so it's really a great model. It costs less than Kling 3.0, so you're saving. And because it's a turbo model, it produces a lot faster, the generation. So yeah, definitely check it out and let us know what you create. Send it in and we'd love to see it. All right, get out there, start making some epic videos.